All right, so for DMR today, it says that the table below shows the relationship between gallons of milk sold and boxes of cereal sold at the market. So your gallons of milk is your X, and your boxes of cereal is your Y. So, and that shows in this graph. Your X is your vertical that goes from left to right, which says gallons of milk, and your vertical line that goes up and down is your Y, because that's boxes of cereal. So you want to plot these points on the coordinate grid. So again, you start at your point of origin, which is 0, 0. Then you're going to go 2 for your X, 4 for your Y. So you're going to walk to your 2, and you're going to fly to your 4. Okay? Next one is 3, 6. So you start at your point of origin, 0, 0. You walk to your 3, fly to your 6. Then the next one is 4, 8. So you start at your point of origin. You walk to your 4, fly to your 8. Then you have 5, 10. So you start at your point of origin. You walk to your 5 and fly. Ooh, we don't want our circle to get bigger. You fly to your 10. Okay, so, and it creates a line, and you're done plotting those points from that grid.